Hi everyone, my name is G.Visalakshi, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, AVS Engineering College. First we see the topic DC generator. Generator means mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. There are two types of generator, AC generator and DC generator. The system produce AC means that system is known as AC generator. DC generator means if you take DC supply, so that device is known as DC generator. The DC generator working on the basic principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So what is meant by Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction? Whenever the conductor cut the magnetic field, an EMF is induced in it. So in that way, the generator produces the mechanical energy or convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. If you take DC means, so this device is called as DC generator. There are three requirements are essential in DC generator. One is conductor, magnetic field and mechanical energy. So DC generator works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So the explanation of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is whenever the conductor is moved in the magnetic field, an EMF is induced and the magnitude of the EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux linkages. This EMF causes a current flow if the conductor circuit is closed. The main parts of the DC generator is commutator, armature and the pole. The armature is the stationary part and the commutator is the rotating part and pole is the exciting system. So the commutator rotated in the armature. So the sectional, this figure shows the sectional view of the DC machine. Here we see the field winding, pole shoes, interpole, commutator. This is the outermost frame and the armature conductor. So the rotating part is commutator. In this, the function of the commutator is converted the AC to DC. So the field winding give the excitation for the pole shoes and poles, and the interpoles is used to reduce the eddy current effect. So the load terminals is plus and minus. Here the construction, this figure shows the construction of the DC generator. Field system, armature core, armature winding, commutator, brushes. The brushes is used to take the supply from the generator. Commutator is already I told, commutator is nothing but a rotating device. It converts the AC into DC. So why it is called the output of the commutator is DC means the armature windings are short circuited by the armature end rings. So there is no way to split the current. The unidirectional current will flow in the commutator end rings. So this unidirectional current is known as DC. So armature winding in DC generator, the armature winding is classified into two types, lap winding and wave winding. Armature core is the outer next part of the yoke. So it support the it protect the commutator and the poles. So armature core is laminated. The armature core is why the armature core is laminated means it reduces the hysteresis loss and the eddy current loss. The hysteresis loss is reduced by adding 3% of silicon in the soft iron piece. Why the laminated iron cores are used in the armature core? The laminated armature core is used to reduce the eddy current loss. Field system. The field system is supplied by the DC supply. It's supplied by the separate DC source from the outside. So it gives the magnetic field to the commutator, entire armature cores.